fortunate that he has come to visit our school. Thanks to
introduction and opportunity. Let's just rearrange the class because it looks so haphazard, not arranged properly. Okay? Just watch.
Listen.
Now you have a ring like this, right? Don't forget this. This poster you know. Now leave your hands. Hold your hands and then hold it. From this poster, you must come back to the original poster without leaving your hands. Don't leave your hands.
Yes, sir.
Good. Try again. Boys are more smarter or girls are smarter? Now, let us add more problems and see. Try. You have to do it better. Add one more bar. No, one bar. Now, if this boy is useless, this problem will become more complicated. How to solve the problem? No, I want the inside. Seventh class children are here?
Yes, sir.
7 to 3 girls come here.
3 girls said.
8 girls. Join in. Now, all of you come here. Done. Not like this inside. All of you come here. Turn back.
Everyone turn back.
Turn back.
Oh, in your place, turn back.
Sit there, sit there. Let them try. Okay? How many are here? Come. Another 5 more. Come fast.
5, only 5. Only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all.
All of you make a big circle. Big circle.
I'll do it.
Make a big circle all together. Watch. Wow. Leave your hand cross. Cross and catch. You want to join? Come. Join fast. Come. Come. 2 fingers. Very fast. 2 fingers. 3, 4. Now you know you 3, 7, 9, 4, 8. Tell yourself inside once. 9, 4, 8. You have doubt whether it is 9, 4, 8, 8, 4, 9. Just discuss with your friends. Now I am sure when you discuss with your friend, the doubt is gone and you know which is the right one. 948. A 10-digit number you are able to by heart only once you heard. But how did you know that it is perfect, 100% perfect? Only when you discuss with your friends, right? Always whatever you learn, tell your friends. Teach your friends. If you can tell whatever you learn to your friends, you get 100% knowledge. Acharya Padamadatte Padam Shishya Padam sa Brahmajaribhya Padam Kalakramenacha. 1/4 you must learn from the teachers. 1/4 self-study. 1/4 discussion with the friends. 1/4 later part of your life. So make sure everything what you learn, you will tell your friends, parents. If nobody is at home when you reach back home, open the gate. Bhaiya, bhaiya, come here. Okay. So, Brahma. What is Brahma's job? Creativity. Who is Brahma's wife?